Hello, this is Howie Jai from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your application if that application is not working. What to do if your any app is stuck in your Samsung 4K Crystal TV. For example, we go to the home screen and your Netflix and your HBO Max is not working. Anytime you hit HBO Max, it is stuck in some place. So how you can reset? Could be HBO Max, could be YouTube, whatever. In this case, use your arrow keys here. Go to the corner of your TV. Where you see this option, search for this one, is called apps. Go inside the app. You have to go to the top. Here you see account option, searching, and the setting. Go to the setting option at the top. Go inside the setting option. Okay, here you will see all the downloaded apps available. For example, my HBO is not working. You can do something, you can delete that and reinstall, or better, you reinstall directly from here. You see the reinstall button, hit this one. It's done. Now let's open HBO Max to see is working or not. HBO Max is opening. Go to your account. Let's play this one, for example. It's loading. We see things of HBO here. So it's working fine, guys. So this is the way you can reset your application, fix the hang or frozen application to your Samsung Crystal 4K TV. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.